Imagine the deafening bark of quad 23mm cannons erupting like thunder from a tracked beast, lurking in the shadows, shredding low-flying threats with unyielding fury in a hail of steel. Or could this Cold War icon, reborn with modern fangs, finally buckle under the buzz of suicide drones and hypersonic missiles that pierce its radar veil, turning the Guardian into the grave? Buckle up, defense devotees, because on Defense Digest, we're charging into the relentless legacy of the ZSU-23-4M4 Shilka, Russia's upgraded self-propelled anti-aircraft gun that's evolved from Soviet steel into a 21st-century sky sentinel, and cling to every explosive detail till the nail-biting close reveals. S drone-busting twists that might just salvage its throne in asymmetric wars slam that, like if A guns aim pure adrenaline. Subscribe and pound the bell for more thunderous tailies. And unleash a comment below. What's your ultimate AA showdown, ZSU-23-4M4 versus Gepard, and could it swat a hypersonic swarm? Forged in the 1960s by the Ulyanovsk mechanical plant as the ZSU-23-4 Persian IV anti-aircraft gun 23mm quad, this SPAAG roared into service in 1965 with a GM 575 chassis stretching 6.5 meters long, 3 meters wide, and 2.6 meters high, weighing 19 tons, powered by a V59 diesel engine churning 520 horsepower for 31 miles per hour speeds and 310-mile range. Its RPK-2 gun dish radar detecting targets up to 20 kilometers, while 4 AZP-23 cannons spit 4,000 rounds per minute at 2.5 kilometers effective range, shredding aircraft, helicopters, and ground threats with radar-guided precision. Over 6,500 built and battle-tested in Vietnam, Yom Kippur, Afghanistan, and Iraq, where it downed countless foes but exposed vulnerabilities to smart bombs. Enter the M4 upgrade in 1999, a $5 to $7 million modernization kit bolting on 4 Igla Ca-18 missiles for 6 kilometers anti-air reach against jets and cruise missiles, electro-optical sights for passive targeting, laser warning receivers to dodge guided threats, digital fire control for faster locks, and enhanced radar jamming resistance, turning the Shilka into a layered defender that's prowled Ukraine's 2025 front lines, racking up drone kills but suffering losses to FPV strikes, prompting frantic pushes for AI integrations and active protection systems. Picture it in chaos. Tracks churning mud as radar spins. Cannons blazing at incoming UAVs while missiles streak skyward. Crews in armored cabins coordinating with Panzer batteries for umbrella defense. Yet whispers of outdated hydraulics and fuel-hungry engines build the tension-will next-gen upgrades, like quantum sensors seal its supremacy, or doom it in urban drone wars. As this quad-cannon colossus rolls into the fog, laden with unspoken ammo and veiled defenses, the heart-pounding suspense surges. What fatal flaw will foes exploit next, and how will hypersonic countermeasures redefine its roar? Don't bolt now, devour every riveting round, like if this hooked your defenses. Comment your Shilka survival strategies to ignite the barrage, share with your armor allies for the ultimate buzz, and subscribe to Defense Digest for non-stop salvos on the guardians that guard the skies, because the next apex could thunder and anytime stay locked, sky shredders.